What's up, guys? The crypto space has been wild and out lately. Hacks left and right, exchanges being compromised, breaches going bonkers, and of course that jaw-dropping Bitcoin transaction could have funded a whole tiny town in California. It's a roller coaster out there, and sometimes, just sometimes, don't you wish things were a tad simpler? Well, today is your lucky day. If you've been itching to mine some bitcoins but got tangled in all those wires or lost in the cloudy maze of cloud mining, I've got your back. Right here, right now, I'll unveil a straightforward solution. No GPS required. Drop a comment after watching and let's get started. When the crypto market was feeling all bearish and gloomy, Bitcoin pulled a fast one, shooting past the $27,000 mark in just a handful of days. As it always goes down these wild times, miners didn't miss a bit. They fired up their trusty ASIC miners to seize that surge in profitability. But hold up, if you're scratching your head wondering how mining works, there are two buzzwords you gotta understand. Hash rate and difficulty. Hash rate, that's the total computational power thrown into mining Bitcoin. And difficulty, that's the game's level of toughness. As the hash rate climbs, the difficulty of mining follows suit. So here's the tea. With the price rise, miners went full throttle and the total hash rate shot up to a staggering 408.71 exahashes. The Bitcoin mining difficulty? Oh, it reached historical highs too. Here's the kicker. The harder the mining, the fewer Bitcoins those miners beg for their hard grind. In real numbers, on the 18th of September, a day before the adjustments, miners pocketed about $0.065 for every terahash per second. Post the difficulty tweak, earnings took a slight dip to approximately 0.064 per terahash per second. That's a profitability drop of 1.53%. Wild times, huh? So here's the skinny. The profitability of mining is hella tethered to the price. To break it down, a Bitcoin hiccup or price correction can send hash prices into a nosedive. And guess who's feeling the burn? Yep, the miners. At least until the next adjustment rolls around. For all of you miners out there, whether you are cloud chilling or rocking your own gear, you've gotta stay woke, agile, and ever ready to bob and weave with the ever-twisting tales of the crypto and mining realms. But here's where the plot thickens. Amidst all this buzz, there's a name that's been echoing through the crypto canyons. Google for Ryan Condron, the main man steering the ship at Lumerin. What's he up to? Flipping the entire script of crypto mining with a fresh twist of innovation and a sprinkle of creativity. So with the grand plan, under his watchful eye, Lumerin drops the Lumerin Hashpower Marketplace. It's not your grandma's mining farm, alright? This thing is set to reshape the entire landscape of crypto mining by offering not just cost-effective solutions, but an unprecedented level of flexibility. Picture this. Mining bitcoins without the hassle of owning bulky hardware. Just pure, unadulterated digital magic. Through the Lumerin Hashpower Marketplace, miners can sell their hash rate using snazzy smart contracts, dictating the hash rate amount, duration, and that sweet price point. What Lumerin's bringing to the table is a consistency game changer. Predictability in the business? Check. Ditching those wild risks? Double check. It sets the stage for miners to ink in those fixed prices, ensuring that steady flow of cash. And wait for it, miners aren't just selling on Lumerin Hashpower Marketplace, they're buying up hash rates from their fellow digital prospectors. It increases their chances of pocketing bitcoins without shelling out for equipment that depreciates faster than you can say crypto. Buyers can skim through, picking contracts that fit like a glove. And the sweetest part? Trust isn't on the menu. It's a straight-up direct deals with real-time payments taken in as the contract dances on. Now, The real highlight with Lumerin is how it tackles two of Bitcoin's notorious beasts: volatility and ever-fluctuating mining difficulty. When Bitcoin's prices go all roller coaster, or the difficulty cranks up, miners' profits can get caught in the crossfire. The solution was that miners could sell their computational power on the open market, naming their price. It's all about putting the power back in their hands, dialing down on risks. For those miners chilling in low energy cost zones, jackpot. They can rip out below average rates, offload hash rate contracts at market prices, and pocket the difference. Plus, Lumerin's door is wide open for the crypto rookies. No experience, no fancy gadgets, no problem. Jump in and get mining. Wrapping it up, Lumerin is flipping the crypto mining script. It's all about making the game more open, fluid, and trimming down those gnarly risks. And a shout out to the Lumerin protocol. It's an open source champion hustling on decentralized data stream routing. Instead of a decentralized command center dictating where the hash rates flow, Lumerin's got its sights on a more democratic approach. Picture a mining hub with 100,000 devices. Rather than one big wig calling the shots on where they all mine, there is a team steering the ship, each with a say on where to direct the hash rates. And what is the outcome? Decision-making gets decentralized, and individuals' users get a bigger slice of the pie. And here's a sneak peek into the future. Lumerin's roadmap includes using its network for decentralized video and audio streams, transactional communications, and digital resource NFTs. For those itching to dive in, I've got a mini manual lined up. Step 1 on your to-do list. Grab the Lumerin Wallet desktop app. This baby is your golden ticket to the Lumerin Hashpower Marketplace. Next up on your quest, tweak your internet settings. You want to give the Lumerin node a clear shot to check out your hash rate. Pro tip: use their detailed tutorial on their YouTube channel. They've got the link plastered on their site and in the video description. Before you unlock the full game, you're gonna need some Lumerin tokens, LMR, and a sprinkle of Ethereum on Arbitrum. Once that's sorted, you can dive into the Lumerin Hashpower market, cherry-picking the hash rate contract that's up your alley. Once your transactions wrapped up, you're officially in the game, taking the reins of your hash power. Speaking of which, let's pivot to the LMR. Taking center stage in Lumerin's protocol universe is its native cryptocurrency LMR. It's not just the shiny coin, it's the lifeblood that powers the smart contracts and dApps on the network. And guess what? Those diligent miners get their well-deserved rewards in LMR for ensuring everything is shipshape and humming along. For those looking to stock up, LMR's got a spot in the big leagues, being listed on exchanges like Bybit, Gate.io, KuCoin, and Uniswap. And talk about affordable, LMR token just shy of half a cent. With a total supply capped at a neat billion, it makes you wonder about its potential upside. For a deeper dive into LMR's market dynamics, CryptoRank.io has got you covered. They've laid out all the nitty-gritty. Lumerin's team isn't playing it small. They're in it for the long haul, and their impressive roster of strategic partners speaks volumes. Rubbing shoulders with the like of Titan, Fenbushi Capital, Hive, Cadenza, and more, it's clear they're making power moves. Strategy is key, and Lumerin's got a roadmap sharper than a tack. The bulk of their milestones? Check. They kickstarted their journey tasting the waters in a sandbox network. Following that, they rolled out their core platform vision, where the magic of trading cryptocurrency hash power happens. Once they polished it to perfection, they threw open the gates for everyone, and they weren't stingy with the how-tos, generously dishing out insights on using their platform. But that's not the end of the road. They've got their sights set on upgrades and enhancements, ensuring users always get the best experience. On September 26th, the official launch of the Lumerin Hashpower Marketplace is set to take place, providing global access to Bitcoin mining power for Web3 users. This means that each of us has the opportunity to be part of this innovative ecosystem. And Lumerin has already built a significant following in the social media world. They've amassed over 14,000 followers on Twitter and around the same number of subscribers in both their Telegram and Discord channels. If any questions arise, I'm confident the community in these groups will be more than willing to assist. But as always, guys, do your own research, be aware of all potential risks, stay by investing small amounts and observe how things pan out. If you are satisfied with the results and dynamics, then you can decide on your next steps. Besides, they also maintain a blog on Medium, where they publish intriguing articles about their project, as well as other compelling events and trends in the cryptocurrency world. It seems these guys are really seriously aiming to introduce new rules to the mining game. So how about you? Are you ready to join in? I'm genuinely curious to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, guys, a like and a subscription would be much appreciated. Thank you guys, and see you later.